Question today featuring tires that are faulty for today's edition of The Law and You. Joining us as always, we have attorney Ed Saramboli and the gold medal winner from the Olympics, attorney Greg Fellerman. He did this well in Sochi. Nice to see you both today.
Thank you. I'm a gold medal winning attorney.
You are. That's a good way to put it.
Thank you.
He has an Olympic hangover.
Yeah, he does. Time to tackle this question about some faulty tires. It is from Leon in Taylor. I recently bought tires from a local garage. I drove about 1 mile, and one of the tires came off the car. I went off the road and hit a tree. The police said the tire was not put on properly. What can I do? It certainly sounds like Leon may have himself a case here.
Leon, you may. Very simply, I mean, you go to a garage, you're getting new tires. They have an obligation to put those tires on the right way. We have a very similar case going on in our office right now, and what happened in that case sounds very similar to your case, where the garage either over-torqued the lug nuts or didn't torque them enough, and obviously the tire then came off and hit a tree and sustained some very significant injuries. So you potentially do have a very good case against the garage for this.
And the good news is the garages are generally insured, so it's important for you to really document. And I had a case like this a few years ago where we actually had the lug nuts. We had pictures of the tires off the vehicle. So if you can get any of that stuff, preserve your claim, get the evidence, hold on to it, get it to your attorney, and then they can proceed against the garage.
And get to a reputable garage for these kind of issues. I mean, there's a lot of those tire places out there. I mean, get to some place that knows what they're doing.
Yeah, scary for sure to think that you could have your car in what you think is working order, and then the next thing you know, the tires are falling off. Well, if you find yourself in a situation like this and need the legal advice of our attorneys here on The Law and You, how can they get in touch with you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Greg does change tires as well. We're going to put that on the list of jobs that he does.
Doesn't surprise me.
Go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, the jack of all trades, attorney Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli from Fellerman and Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much for being here.
We'll see you tomorrow.
All right, don't forget, we can feature your question here on The Law and You. Just head to PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.